2015 Ford Fusion. If you guys didn't know, see, it says it right there. Anyways, what we got done on it, something way too special. You don't see this. It's got two factory converters, one there, one there. Got a resonator right there. Then it's got 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. We put a special Flowmaster on it for you. When was the last time you guys saw a Fusion with a Flowmaster? And not any Flowmaster, a special design Flowmaster, just for this beautiful Fusion SE. So, I'll get you guys the part number in a second. Any second, any minute. Here it comes. 8425, I think. I don't know if it's missing any more numbers. But anyways, it's supposed to fit on a Chevy Corvette 2016, 2017. But it works perfect for this too. It's a Super 44 Flowmaster. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second, and we'll see if we can have a link in the description for you. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Here we go. Let's see what she sounds like. Oh, not too bad. Super 44. And that resonator needs to come off. Then it'll be a lot louder. Ford Fusion SE. Here's sound decibels. 84. Go ahead and back it out. Not bad. It's got a little bit of a tone. Nothing major. Ford Fusion SE. Let you guys hear on the inside. Oh man, it's got a nice dragon on it too. That's awesome. Ford Performance. And like again, Fusion! Gotta have the Fusion. The Flowmaster 44. It's got a nice deep tone to it, not bad. 2013 Ford Fusion EcoBoost. He's got a upgraded turbo, upgraded stage 2 tune, bunch of stuff done to this car. So what we done on it, factory resonator there, factory converter up there somewhere, there it is. But the resonator is right there, 2 1/4 all the way back, and we continued it with more 2 1/4, did a muffler delete on it right there, and did a 4-inch black tip out the back to complete the look. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see right there. So we just did a muffler delete. There's the massive muffler that was on it. It doesn't look like we did much, but that's the muffler that was on it. It's massive. We took it off, and that's the tailpipe that was on it. We took it off. Just freshened it up for him. Made it look a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. All right, guys, so we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Yeah, that's not crazy. It's perfect. Get on it. That's good. Here's sound decibels again. Got a rev limiter on it again. Right at 85. That resonator that's on is huge. So if you want to change that, we can do like a vibrant or something like that and make it even louder. That's in the future, but try it out for like a week or so, see how you like it.
I think that sounds really good.
I think it's
not
clean.
loud, but a nice clean tone.
Yeah.
I appreciate the recommendation.
Of course, yeah, of course. Yeah, it's way better than that, what was on it. Again. Go ahead and back it out. Yeah, it's clean. The wife will stay happy. She won't be mad. I don't think so. It's not crazy loud or nothing. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Nice. Nothing crazy, just clean. That's what he wanted. That was perfect. 2016 Ford Fusion. What we got done on it. Factory converter right there. Then we put a cherry bomb. Part number I'll show you guys in a second. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 2 1/4 pipe existing. There's the cherry bomb, 87522CB. Be a link in the description for it again. Then we have to put a solid mount hanger on it and a rear muffler delete because the original muffler it's huge. It goes all the way across from here to here. I'll show it to you guys in a second. And a 4-inch rolled blue flame tip. We'll show you the link to that too. There's a resonator we cut off and put the cherry bomb in its place. There's a huge muffler we cut off. It comes center or offset to center, kind of side, whatever you want to call it, and then side out right there. This is what it looks like after. He lost about 50 pounds just like that. We did liposuction. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Yeah, much better. Give it gas? Wow. Oh, it's so much better with a cherry bomb. Here's sound decibels. Again. 116. Go and back it up. They got a nice idle to it too. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cherry bomb. That's not bad. Let you guys hear on the inside. Cherry bomb mid and muffler delete and resonator delete with a 4-inch tip. Yeah, nice little. 2014 Ford Fusion 4-cylinder. Right there, got some fancy wheels on. What we got done on it, factory converter up there on the manifold. Then we did a resonator delete right there. Then ran 2 1/4 pipe stock. Then usually this one comes with a huge muffler that goes from here off this hanger to this hanger out the back. So you always have to add another hanger in the middle there to support the weight of the pipe after it's taken off. There's the muffler right there. And there's the resonator there. You guys can see. And that's what we did. We took everything off and just straight pipe. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's non-turbo. Wow, it's loud. Wow. That is crazy. Your sound decibels? Go ahead. 118, dude. That's loud. That's the sound decibels there. How much noise it makes in the ear. Again. Go ahead and back it out. Ford Fusion, baby. Wow. Definitely gonna wake up the neighbors. Let you guys hear on the inside. (2014) Ford Fusion 4-cylinder, muffler, resonator delete, and black tip.